Welcome, in front of me is a HUAWEI Mate Xs2, and today I will show you how you can hard reset this device through settings. So to get started, you will want to open up your settings and in here scroll all the way down to System and Update, and then select Reset Phone. This will present you with a list of data that will be removed by this process, which importantly includes things like music, photos, and all user data. Now, if you have anything of that sort that you'd like to maintain, make a copy of it to, for instance, something like your computer. Now, I don't want to back up anything, so I'm going to select Reset Phone. Now, we do have the option to back up on the next page, but this will be done directly to the HUAWEI cloud, meaning that if you're planning to restore this data on some other devices that might not be HUAWEI, you just simply won't have access to this backup, which, if it's your data, I see no reason why it should be gate-kept from you. So yeah. Anyway, I'm gonna select Reset Phone without backing it up. Definitely, I wouldn't ever want to back up to some proprietary cloud like that, and I wouldn't recommend doing that yourself. And when you obviously click on reset, it will begin factory resetting your device. This will take about 1-2 minutes or so to finish up, and once it's completed, we will be presented with Android setup screen, or Harmony OS, or whatever it's right here, OS kind of thing. So anyway, I'll be back once that is finished for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.